We'll guide you through how to trace image in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop, and use the taskbar search feature to find Google Chrome. Once the browser appears in the search results, open the Google Chrome application. After the browser launches, enter Figma into the search bar and click the official Figma website from the search results. Before continuing, ensure that you're already logged into your Figma account. For this tutorial, open one of your recent projects from a dashboard. Once the file is open, the edit page of your project will appear with the canvas ready for editing. Next, choose the image layer that you want to trace. If your project does not already contain the image, open the folder on your computer where the image is stored, then click, hold, and drag the file onto the Figma canvas to import it. After the image is in place, press the P key on your keyboard to activate the pen tool. Click on a specific point of the image to create the starting point for your manual trace. Continue tracing by dragging your cursor and clicking whenever you encounter a curve, corner, or a change of direction. Keep placing anchor points carefully until every important part of the image has been outlined. When you reach the final point and want to close the shape, move your cursor back to the starting point. Make sure a small circle appears below the cursor before clicking, as this indicates the path will close correctly and form a complete vector shape. If you prefer a faster method, you can use a plugin instead of tracing manually. Open the Actions menu and search for Image Trace. Select the appropriate plugin from the results, then click Run to launch it. Place or upload the photo into the plugin panel as instructed. The plugin will automatically process the image and generate a traced vector version on the canvas. You can then review the result.